Take your motion design and compositing to new dimensions in After Effects 26.0. With new variable font animation tools, 3D shape creation with over 1,300 free 3D materials, improved Illustrator file support, and more. With variable type animation, you can keyframe any and every axis of your variable fonts. New text variables like weight, wiggle, width, slant, and more let you easily stretch, squash, jitter, or warp text in your composition. Animate words, lines, blocks, or individual text characters. Plus, all text axes can now be animated with custom keyframe animations or expressions. Create and combine native 3D shapes inside After Effects, with over 1,000 materials and improved shadows for any 3D model. You can create 6 different 3D polygon shapes, with robust shape customization. Plus, cast more realistic shadows from 3D shapes and models, with new spot and parallel shadows. And apply over 1,300 free materials with dynamic and fully customizable controls direct from Substance 3D to any 3D shape or model. Now you can work with popular Illustrator formats like SVG to bring motion to graphic designs. And gradients from Illustrator files are fully editable in After Effects for dynamic keyframing and animating. Plus, instantly crop your composition to fit the size of assets from Illustrator and Photoshop. Key, mix, and design faster with new tools and performance updates that motion designers have been asking for. Quickly key complex shots with solid color backgrounds like atmosphere, fire, or flares with a fast and precise unmult effect. Get more control over audio with new gate, compressor, and distortion effects. High-performance preview playback now supports lossless compressed frames for longer previews that take up less disk space. Enjoy reorganized preferences for easier and more accessible comp and project settings. And easier keyframe referencing when working with expressions. Plus, with native WinArm support on supported Windows devices, enjoy faster, more efficient performance with improved responsiveness and longer battery life. And it's all available right now. Update today and start creating with the latest in After Effects 26.0.